Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the head safe. Shut off power and disconnect the spark plug or battery so the spool can't spin unexpectedly. Once done, remove the cap or retainer to expose the spool and spring. This gives you direct access to the line anchor points. Make sure to clear debris and measure the line diameter so it matches the original. The wrong size causes jamming. Now position the spool so the top grooves and exit holes are visible and facing you for the next threading step. With the spool exposed, feed both line ends into their anchor slots. If there's a notch, seat the line ends there so they won't slip. Wind the line evenly in the direction of the arrow stamped on the spool. Keep consistent tension, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch spring pressure, to avoid loops or kinks. Once wound, leave about a 1/2 inch free, line it into the exit holes, and hold the tension while you reassemble the spring and cap so the line stays seated. Reinstall the spool spring and cap, making sure the cap locks or the retaining nut is snug but not over-tightened. This maintains proper feed tension. Once reassembled, gently pull both lines to release them from the anchor slots, then power up briefly at low throttle to verify smooth feed and even trimming. If the line binds or feeds erratically, stop immediately. Common fixes are swapping to correct diameter line, rewinding with firmer tension, or replacing a damaged spool or spring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.